After a little over a month of waiting, my pre-order re-release of the Torque Solution front motor mount has arrived. The company said this was a one-time batch run, so I would order yours now. The overall design is the same as the original, but they've milled out some material here to make it lighter. This is my NYPPD motor mount, which is a clone of the original, but you can see the difference. It's definitely heavier than the new one, coming in at 11 pounds and 13 ounces without the bushings installed, while the re-release only weighed in at 1 pound and 7.4 ounces. Inside the box was also this sticker, but I'm more interested in the free promo keychain. Yes, it's a 10mm ratcheting wrench. Hopefully, this doesn't disappear like my currently missing 10mm socket. Let's pop out the polyurethane bushing and look inside. This is a 75A hardness bushing. You can easily remove it by pushing in the metal sleeve, then popping it out. The inside diameter looks to be the same as the original, and it is. Let's do a quick measurement. We'll round that up to 63.75 millimeters. As for the overall thickness, it's around 24.8 millimeters. The part that sits inside is only 15.75 millimeters tall, meaning there's an intentional air gap of 19.5 millimeters between both sides since the mount is 51 millimeters wide. Now when you reassemble this, you'll want to insert the bushing first, then slide the sleeve back over, otherwise you'll have a sealed air pocket between the two ends, and that will prevent you from pushing it in. Unfortunately, the transmission on my car is still broken, so I can't test this out, but it'll install and perform just like the original. I just wanted to get the info out there since only a limited number were produced. I'll link some related videos as well as where you can purchase this from in the description below. Thank you Mohammed Ayesh for working with Torque Solution to get these made, and for my followers that helped to reach and exceed the pre-order requirements. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.